Okay, so now we're going to be looking at a question that has multiple angles. What does that mean? I don't even. Yes, I guess it's the best way to explain it. So here we said express 5 cos 2x and 12 sine 2x in the form of k sine x plus a, right? Where it's in degrees. So you might be thinking, oh god, I've got a 2x here when I'm used to have an x. What do I do now? Well, good thing is it's actually almost so similar that it's almost confusing because it's so similar. Literally just this exact same process. So this becomes k sine x plus a is equal to k sine x cos alpha plus k cos x sine alpha. Then you want to think about your coefficients. So what's it going to be here? Well, cos x is next to this one. Sorry, cos x is here, so it's going to be 5, and then sine x is here. This is going to be 12. Okay, so k 5. I'm going to make that neater. So k, you might recognize this is the 5, 12, 13 triangle, the one I was thinking of earlier, but it wasn't. So this is just going to be 13, and then alpha is going to be equal to tan minus 1 of 12 over 5, which is equal to 22.6 degrees. Okay, and then a, well, let's think about the quadrants. Okay, well, you can see they're both positive, so they're both being the first quadrant. So a is equal to 22.6. So what we're going to do now is write this out. So 5 cos 2x plus 12 sine 2x is equal to 13 sine 2x plus 22.6. Okay, so it's exactly the same. It's exactly the same. That's a bit much. It's exactly the same, except this 2x here is just it's just done. I've actually made a mistake here. So shame on me. Here you should have 2x and 2x there as well. Okay, so in the expansion you need to show that this becomes like this. All right. So shame on me for getting that wrong, but I spotted it at the end. I'm going to show you what this looks like on Desmos so you can understand what it means when there's a 2x, okay? Here, I've got the graph of 13 cosine x plus 22.6, right? That's obviously not what we had in our question. We had the one beneath it, 13 sine 2x, right? So we're worried about the 2x. So all this 2x does is it makes the wave repeat itself twice in the 360 degrees. I'll take away the purple one. Let's make it more clear. So this, instead of going through once between 1 and 360, is gonna go through twice. So if this was 3x or 4x or 5x or 6x, that's the number of times it will repeat itself in the given period. Back to 2x, and as you can see here, just for clarity, the longer expression 5 cos 2x plus sine 12 sine 2x is just exactly the same. It's just a different way of writing the same thing. So I hope that makes it a little bit clearer.